What is up, party people? Welcome to Montreal, Quebec, in Canada still. The New York City of Canada. What's really interesting about the province of Quebec in Canada is, while Canada has two official languages, the province of Quebec's official language is French. So there's a lot of signs that I could not read, even though I've been doing Duolingo to try to work up my French. Je parle français un peu. Montreal is probably the city that I'm most disappointed with on this tour. Not because I don't like the city, because I love the city and we only get to spend one day here. Here I tried to speak some conversational French at some restaurants. Did not do a good job. Walked into a McDonald's, tried to order in French. I said, je voudrais le Big Mac trio. And she said, do you want to pay cash or card in English? Because she knew that I was struck on. Here we played one night only at the Place des Arts. This gorgeous facility has 6 different performance spaces. And they all have some French-ass names that I can't really pronounce because the French studies are not going very well. I'm still very much a beginner. I'm gonna try to pronounce them anyway, though. Here goes. The Montreal Symphony House. All right, that one wasn't too bad. The Théâtre Maisonneuve. The Théâtre Jean Duceppe.
The Salle Claude Lavelli.
The Cinquième Salle. And the Salle Wilfrid Pelletier. Where we played tonight, it seats just under 3,000. This was one of our best-selling performances. We sold about 92% and that theater was packed. Sales vary drastically for every city that we play, but this city was packed and very responsive. It was nothing but a good time. I'm bummed we didn't get to spend more time here, and I would spend more time exploring the city if we didn't have to be on the bus at 6:30 in the morning to head back into Ontario to play the Rama Casino. So that's where we're heading next. Thanks so much for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers!